Hey my loves, my name is Daisy Muli. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I have finally uploaded another vlog, and I know I took so long to upload and you think I'm not trying, but I promise you I'm really trying here. So guys, I'm getting ready to go on a photo shoot, street shoot in Nairobi CBD. It's on a Sunday, and I chose this day because there are always fewer people in town compared to weekdays. And to my surprise, I found lots of people in town, like a lot of photographers and content creators. And I think watu wametoka church. I didn't think kuna watu wengi hivyo, and I got so afraid I almost cancelled the plans, but I went through with it, although I don't like the attention. People stare at you a lot when you are doing your poses. Like, I just don't like it, but I went through with it, and this is me after we decided to go to Nana Food Court. It's along Thika Road, Unicity Mall, because we were so tired. I didn't think we were gonna cook once we get home, because we also did other activities during the day that we did not film, so we were so tired to cook. Plus I missed the restaurant's platter. If you know Nana Food Court, then I do not have to say much about their platter. So I decided to wait for my order as I reviewed some work. I like doing two things at the same time if possible, especially when I'm in restaurants. I bring my laptop along just so I can review some works instead of scrolling down my phone. So I find it time saving, especially now since I became a vlogger. I can do lots of editing and reviewing as I sip my coffee and breathe in the fresh air. It's just so satisfying. So I'm just waiting for my order. And by the way guys, have you seen the photos we shot from town earlier today? If you do not follow me on Instagram, you are missing out, because these are just among the few that we shot. And big up to my photographer Sam Pcraft. If you don't follow him on Instagram, please follow him, and his rates are very affordable and the work is just the best. If you ask me, he's the best photographer in 254. As I wait for my order, let me tell you exactly how my day went. As soon as we got to town from home, we found out we left the trigger. It's a very important part that we cannot shoot without. So it was around 4:30, I think. Yeah, 4:30. And videography and lighting, I was planning to do some street work, so I needed a proper lighting. So I was forced to cancel the videography plan and set off for photography, of which we could not also do the photography without the trigger, so we only had one option. Guys, my food is here, so I think this story is gonna have to wait. Look at the portions. This is not portions, hii ni chakula nyingi. Najua mtasema hii chakula ni nyingi, but calm down, calm down. So I think I'm going to eat, then I'm gonna catch up with you later. This is the platter I was talking about. You may see it, the presentation, and think it's not all that, but I promise you it's all that. And if food ni nyingi, every time I come to eat this platter, I always pack some. And imagine niko na mtu wangu and we cannot finish this platter, all that food just for 2,500 only. That's so cheap, my god, that's so cheap. With 2,500 I don't think unaweza shiba in another hotel, like wacha tu nisiseme, but Ona vile nimepack food mingi. So we just finished eating. So I think I'm going to continue talking to you. So I'm packing. Nimepata kalunch ka kesho. So it's time to switch off my computer, my laptop, sorry. So I think I'm going to catch up with you once I get home, okay?
Town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So I just got home and I'm so tired, but I have to do this one more thing before I go to bed. Although I don't really think I'll be going to bed. You know, no matter how hard I try, I go to bed 3 a.m. every day. I can never go to bed before 3 a.m. No matter how hard I try. I just can never, it can never happen. So it's like every day I sleep the following day. Am I making sense? So I'm just going to put my flowers in a flower vase, and then I don't know. I'm thinking maybe we catch up later. Oh, I remember I did not tell you how my day went, my food came. So, wacha nimalizie hiyo story. So, we get to town and then we do not have inaitwa nini? The trigger. I'm not a photographer, so hizi majina zinanichanganya kidogo. So, we get to town and we do not have the trigger. So, it's 4:30 p.m. and jua inatua. It's almost sunset na tunakimbizana na the lighting. So kuna photographers wengine tuka way between, we borrow from them, like we hire or we go back, and we decided to go back because borrowing from them, they will get a client and they will want that thing back. So we decide to go home. Ndio how we rush, tunafika nyumbani, we get inaitwa nini kitu we get the trigger, hizi terms. So tumechukua trigger, tumerudi tena town. Imagine tunafika town, strobe aina light, aina charge, strobe aina charge, and we cannot do photography without the strobe also. Niambie, what kind of heartbreak is that? What kind of disappointment? What a day. I was planning to shoot 4 outfits, and to make the matters worst, photographers wengine hapo wanatuambia deadline imefika. We didn't even know shooting kuna deadline. I think creating and shooting, ikuwe ni content creator ama photographer, there is a specific time when you cannot shoot. So photographer mwingine hapo anatuambia mmerudi, ni mwenye tulikuwa tunataka to hire from him, anatuambia mmerudi, na mmerudi masaa mbaya, hii ni masaa ya makarao. We are like, at makarao? Like we didn't know kuna deadline. Unajua with photography you can shoot hata usiku, si kama videography. Anatuambia ikifika 5 inakuwa ni ngori. Tukasema acha tujikaze. So I had like 4 outfits. I'm forced to shoot one, not because of the deadline, makarao tu, like unajua your story. So we are forced to shoot one, not because of the time, but because of the strobe aina charge. Sasa sisi hao tunaanza the shooting. Leo niko na story. Unasikia leo vile naongea? You complained a lot, mkasema unanyamaza sana, nyonge. This is me talking. So tuna shoot kitu, I think it was around 5:40 au makarao wanaingia. And then they are like, unajua vile tunafanyanga, hatujai enda kushoot town. So the photographer, Sam, that is like, tufanya aje sasa? Akampea like, tukamaliza hiyo story wakaenda. So tukaanza kushoot, tuko kwa first outfit. At this point, I don't think we are going to shoot the second, third and the fourth outfit. Like hiyo story ishaisha. So tuna shoot, we are trying to get the best shots before his strobe iishe light, because we have like around 10 minutes na ya iishe. Kitu kama 5:40 hapo, it was 5:40 or 6 I think, I don't know, but giza ilikuwa imeshaanza kuingia, strobe ikaisha light. But nilikuwa nimesha give up. I already knew hatutashoot hizi nini, the outfits zote, I already knew hatutashoot. So nasikia vile nimekasirika. That's how my day went, but I cannot complain because I got the best shots. I have the best shots. You should follow me on Instagram for you to see them. So guys, I just finished putting my flowers in a vase, and they are so cute. I like them. Thanks to my man. Thanks to my man. So again, hii kazi haishangi. I said I cannot sleep before 3 a.m. You see, I cannot, no matter how hard I try. So nimeamua kufanya kazi hapo, kajuice kidogo kuteremsha plata. I don't like the juice from that place. Sorry. So I just take water. Nimeongea sana jamani. Sasa nikisikia mtu akicomplain, tutapigana mangumi. Nitakupiga mangumi. So I think guys, I'm going to catch you on the next. Oh my god. On the next is right here. So continue. So I'm just going to continue. These clips, I recorded them a while back in Panda Mart. I was going to get my doormats. Imagine I was going to get just one thing only. I was going to get four. Were they four? 1, 2, 3. I'm counting my doors. I was going to get 4 doormats, but I ended up shopping other things that I needed, but I didn't think I needed them. That's girl math. Like you go to a store to get a specific thing, but you end up getting 10 other things along. That's girl math. So I was going to purchase the doormats, but these are the other things that I got. So I'm just going to unbox with you so that you can see what I got. I got easy zinaitwaje containers for my pasta and my Royco cubes and my, like, I just got them. I got how many? Five of them. And then I just thought these ones were so cute, so I decided to purchase them also. 2 sugar, coffee, and then I got one more that you are going to see just right now. Just you're about to see. And this, I just thought this one is cute and I'm going to purchase it because it's cute. That's it. That kajug. So what am I looking for? I was thinking naenda kutoa the one I'm talking about. Anyway, I think we are going to see. So I got these can I call them fridge dishes? I got these dishes for my fridge. I was planning to do meal plan, but since I got them, I have never stored anything in them. Maybe zile food zimebaki, but the meal plan I was talking about, acha tu nisiseme. And that's just girl math. I'm getting these so that I can do meal plan as soon as you get home. Anyway, I just got them and I think I'm actually going to do that. I'm actually going to meal plan because I think it helps a lot, especially if let's cook busy. You just got food in fridge, not just snacks like real food. Yeah, so let's continue at the box. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. And actually sikuwa na use yake. I just thought it's cute and I purchased it. Sijui niweke nini. Nasikia because I already got the containers for sugar and coffee storage. Sijui niweke ile chumvi. Although I think ni table sugar. But sijui, I don't know, but it's cute, especially hiyo kifuniko yake iko na kanaitwa nini? I think I'm going to show you soon. I also got these 2 glasses. They are just cute. I got all these things because they are cute, most of them. It's not because I needed them. Nile tu, you just can't get one thing. You just can't come out with what you went for. It just can never happen. And I liked these food mats like a lot. although I have never used them. But they are just cute, don't you think? They are cute. So guys, I'm going to finish up unboxing, and I think I'm going to catch up with you on the next, okay? Finally, this is what I went to purchase at Panda Mart. The others were just up by the way. By the way, more than 10,000, eh? Tabia za wadosi ninazo bado pesa jamani. God when. I was so confused selecting these mats because there were lots to choose from. Like zilikuwa nyingi sana, and you could easily get confused, like ujui unataka gani. Unachagua, unaenda hapo mbele unapata a better one, unasonga hapo mbele kidogo unapata a better one. I think it took me around 30 minutes to settle with these ones. Hadi Sam alikuwa ameshachoka kabisa. Like it took me so long to select these ones. I do not know why, because I only go for neutral colors. I think neutral colors uko ni nyingi, so you get confused. So I finally settled for these ones because they match with my carpet and everything else. My home is neutral colors only. So I settled for these ones. They are just neutral. Sio shouting, sio nini nini nini. So yeah guys, this is the end of my unboxing. I think I'm going to see you on the next, okay? It's gym o'clock and I also shot this a while back. Sips water. I shot this a while back, sikuwa nimeedit. So did I tell you guys I go to gym? I meet with my trainer at exactly 8 a.m. That's my fixed time. No matter what time I sleep. I told you I sleep 3 a.m. every day, not before. And I meet with my trainer exactly 8 a.m. because 7:30 ndo huyo anakuanga amepiga simu, Daisy uko wapi? Uko wapi? Uko wapi? Na hata hajafika. But that's our fixed time because immediately after me akona client mwingine, so we have to meet exactly that time. I think he's fully booked during the day. So there is my trainer team and he's so strict on these sessions. Hakunanga mchezo hapa, haujakuja kucheza. Sometimes I do feel like I'm back in high school, like hiyo kukaziwa, waking up at 8 no matter what time you slept. Kujikaza, unaona mpaka karibu nianguke jamani. Kujikaza, hata sometimes kwangi nimekula breakfast because amenipigia simu kama nimelala na niambia ameshafika. So I have to wake up faster. Ndio huyo mimi nifike gym. So hey, this life Wale watu walikuwa wanaambiwa mtafunzwa na ulimwengu, mimi ni mmoja wao. Ulimwengu unanifunza right, left, center. I sleep late, I wake up early. Ani wacha tu hata nisiongee. My life is tough, but it's not like I do not have an option. Like I can easily say I won't subscribe to the gym or to my trainer, but sometimes you have to push yourself beyond limits because pesa ni lazima itafutwe, ni lazima we stay fit, So yeah, this is me pushing myself beyond my limits, and this is me kufunzwa na ulimwengu, left, right, center. Ukilala wewe usiamke, lala tu, usitafute pesa, usiende gym, lala tu. You will have a bad body. Okay, hakuna mwili mbaya, lakini you know, sometimes if we can do something about it, I think it's good. Like if you can control your diet, if you can go to the gym, just go. Like hakuna mwili mbaya, lakini sometimes tunajiachilia sana. So if you can control your diet, if you can go to the gym, na si lazima tuende gym, you can just control your diet tena. Usikue wacha niachie mambo hapo. Yeah, so this is my gym and I really like this gym juu hakuna kupigania weights. It's spacious. Is spacious the right word? Like iko na weights zote, so it's big. Hakuna kupigania, and moso ukienda asubuhi unajipata tu uko peke yako, so you're free to use anything, any position, any weight. So this is our gym lodge and this is Yusuf. I really like Yusuf. He's so influential. Anauzanga gym pre-workouts, zinaitwa nini, milkshakes. Hizi hata sikumbuki nini alinipea. It was so bitter, so bitter. Akanieleza sijui itanisaidia with my body, blah 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 blah. Hii mambo ya Yusuf wewe, atakuconvince utakunywa kila kitu hapa. I think he's the best salesperson I have ever met. Like he's the best salesperson I have ever met. Juu kila time nikienda gym, I must take pre-workouts. Ni lazima nimwachie 500 every day, almost every day. But for me, I do not take pre-workouts a lot. I cheat my trainer. Unapata, imagine naoda milkshake nikiwa gym. I do not know why they sell the milkshake, because watu kama mimi, we are easily tempted. Mimi napendanga milkshake sana. So every time I come at the lodge, badala ya nihode pre-workout, najipatanga nishamwambia niweke ka milkshake hapo niteremshe uchovu. Yeah, so ndio huyo Yusuf hapo ananielezea sijui nini nikunywe hiyo kitu. Hebu angalia vile ni bitter. Sijui iko na benefits gani, sijui nini. Mambo yake ni nyingi, but I really like him. He's a good salesperson. So I just ordered my milkshake after the gym, that is. Huwa nasema, as long as unaenda gym, una train, I think you can eat anything. I hope trainer wangu ataona hii. I think you can eat anything. You can eat that pizza, you can drink that milkshake, you can, you know, unaenda gym. So, like, utakula alafu utaenda kutoa. Ama niaje watu wa gym. Because that's what I do. Mimi nakula kila kitu. I eat everything. Lakini lazima oh my God. Ni lazima ujitolee during the sessions. Upige gym proper. Hakuna mchezo. Because unajua after hapo unaenda kukula pizza. But I do not encourage that. Have a proper diet. Avoid pizza. Avoid sugar. Yeah, guys. This is the end of my training session, I think. So I'm going to drink my shakes and then go home. Yeah. I'll see you on the next. it's on a weekend and we decided to drive out of the city to get some fresh air. Unajua Nairobi sana utawazimika. So I did not record much of this day because I just needed a midday, like no work, no creating, no content, nothing, just me and I don't know these activities. Although I did not do a lot, but these are just the parts that I captured because I thought they looked good. But I did not record much. We just drove. Like, have you ever, like, I don't know, like, have you ever drove to no destination? Like, you're just driving. Like, you are going nowhere in particular. You're just driving. It's not exactly a road trip, but you are, just outside Nairobi. It doesn't matter. You away from work, away from your phone, away from your camera, just a you time. Like a me time. Me and my man, of course. Alipo nipo, nilipo hapo. So it was just us and the road and the nature. So we came across this river, Iko Nyeri. This is Nyeri, this is where Sam comes from. Tukasema my inner child, no, wacha nisiwekele my inner child. Wacha niseme Ukamba. Mkamba akiona maji. So ndio huyo Mkamba ameona maji, ameamua kuogelea. And it was, usikaone hivi, it was deep na ilikuwa na waves strong. Like I was trying to cross across the river to go to the other end, but sikumanage, niliogopa. And the rocks were so slippery. Like nilikuwa naogopa, kwetu hakuna maji. But nikacheza kidogo hapo na maji. This is a luxury. Nikacheza hapo kidogo na maji and my cameraman or rather my man is familiar na hii mto, so alikuwa anajaribu kunidirect kwenye where I should step, mawe zenye sio slippery, ndio alikuwa ananiambia so that I do not slide nianguke kwa maji na sina nguo zingine. So nikacheza hapo na maji. My inner child was happy. Like, if you know me, I just like nature. Like, I would much prefer to go place yenye more of nature kuliko kuenda kwa in a hotel, like ati niende like I just like nature. To cut the story short, I would prefer to even, I don't know. Mi ni ile mtu, I like hikes, I like being in forest, napenda tu nature. Like, that's my nature. Napenda nature, that's my nature. So nikacheza and I was happy, and then it was getting dark, so we went back to the city. Yeah, guys, I think I'm going to catch you after this. I'm going to talk to you soon. You know, some convinced me to walk barefoot at huku kwa kuna miba. He, he. Kwetu if you walk barefoot it's a death wish. Kwetu kumejaa miba and I was so afraid. Hata kama nilitembea, I was so careful because I'm used to kwetu uwezi like kuna kama we ni Mkamba unajua makongo ni nini. Kuna miba sana. Kwanza place kama hii imejaa makongo huwezi tembea hivi hivi. So it convinced me to walk barefoot. I cannot believe it. This is me walking barefoot kwa shamba. Hapa tunateremka tukienda kwa mto. We left our shoes juu. Kuna matope. Hatungezivaa nini huko chini. So guys, this is the end of our vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like and comment, okay? Have a good day. Take care of yourself. I love you, okay?